Yo, what it do? Hey, well, y'all can call me Mr. Cool. Actually about to head down to Tractor Supply. Me and my little production. Y'all think that's 9 weeks old. She look crazy, filled full of water. We gotta get some dog food. Hey, yo, puppies is no jokes, B. These motherfuckers is expensive, son. Nah, but for real. Woo. Gotta get some pads, dog food. And that's about it for the day. So y'all just take this journey with us while we carry on and get this food. Back at it like a crack addict. We made it to Tractor Supply. They don't let me turn that bitch around. But yeah, we fucking there. We fucking here. You know that? So let's go in. I know all eyes gonna be on me. Or should I say my baby? Yeah. Y'all will see me in a second when we in the building, you dig? So we're back here, Tractor Supply again. And you know me, I stick with that. But I've been hearing a few things about it, so I'm definitely looking for some new dog food to try out. And I think I found it. I'm definitely gonna get it. American Bully.
Where's your other one?
Oh, that's a female.
Oh, cute.
I brought her out of the litter.
Did you bring the big one?
No, the daddy?
Yes.
No, I didn't bring him.
I like him a lot.
They're gonna be
He's so
short like
stout.
him. Yeah, that's what she's gonna be like him. Small and stocky.
I love it.
That's how it is. Supply.
You are looking at that little white stripe. Yes, she's so pretty. You're a good girl.
We're always busy when we come into the supply. I call it the supply store. Tractor Supply. I'm gonna squeeze by. I got some pads to grab real quick. Oh no, y'all fine.
Take your time.
Talking about she gonna give them back. I know you is. What the fuck? Damn, I'm gonna tell you something. Puppies a lot of work. Now they old enough to where they eating everything. It's crazy. Then they wanna poop, eat, and poop. And fight, and poop, you dig? That was 100. That's extra super absorbent trainers. Nah, nigga. We go outside and let them party. Pat it up. And there's one more thing I need to get for these things, bro. I'm gonna get them a chew toy or something. Cause it seems like they find a chew toy anywhere they go. So I might as well get them one, you dig? Don't mind this music. I don't think I'll get copyright for that music. But I am right here looking at toys, so let's pick it out. Nope. Make too much noise. Nope. But y'all they really got cheese for the dogs. Bro, that's crazy. Oh, look at me, I'm weird. I'm talking to my phone. I'm just, nope. I'm buying a toy for the dogs and they won't be there that long. Oh, we got a goat. Man. Kind of want to go see a goat. Nah, I'm just kidding. We done for the day. Heading up out of here. So I'm gonna check out. So we're done at the supply store, at the TS. Tractor Supply, yeah, dig. But man, it's like that every time I go in there, they be loving the dogs. They're like, oh my God, you got so many dogs. It's just really hard for me to move around in there because they always want to check my dogs out, you dig. But it was a quick little 150 in that bitch, for real. Y'all better invest in a Tractor Supply card for sure.